Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy and sell crypto on MoonPay. So here's a simple workaround for that. For you to be able to buy crypto on MoonPay, you have to open the MoonPay app and log into your account. So tap buy on the home screen, then select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, then enter the amount you want to buy. So add your payment method, which is very important. You can select bank transfer, or you can use your Apple Pay or Google Pay as your payment source. Then after that, you have to enter your wallet address where you want the crypto to be delivered. So review the details and tap confirm purchase. Complete any payment verification and wait for MoonPay to process your crypto, and it will arrive in your wallet. And for you to be able to sell your crypto on MoonPay as well, you have to open the MoonPay app and tap the sell button, then select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, then enter the amount you wish to sell. Choose your payment method. You can pick your bank account or card if you have it available. Then copy the MoonPay deposit address shown on the screen, then paste your wallet address and send the crypto to that address. So wait for blockchain confirmation, and MoonPay will convert it into cash and send it to your bank or your card, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.